lesson is going to talk about identifying proportional relationships. So let's talk about the graph first. If you're looking at a graph, there's two things that you're looking for when you're talking about a proportional relationship. Number one, it has to be a straight line. So the line has to be straight in order for it to be a proportional relationship. Number two, it has to go through the origin. So it has to go through that point, 0, 0. Remember, the origin is 0, 0. So it has to go through that point. So if you look at the graph here, we have this one right here, which is a proportional relationship. It's a straight line. This green line right here is a straight line. It goes right through 0, 0, and you can see that point right here. Okay? Now, this one is a non-proportional relationship because, yes, it is a straight line, but it doesn't go through that point 0, 0 down here. So that would be a not be a proportional relationship. So if you're looking at a graph, you're just looking at these two things right here, and you're looking to see if it's straight and it goes through the origin. It has to have both of those qualities to be a proportional relationship. Now, if you're looking at a table, that's going to be a little bit different. You're going to see if all the unit rates are the same. So unit rates must be the same. Now, you just finished the unit rates section, okay, and we found unit rates by dividing. Now, more specifically, when we do this, we have to find the unit rates by doing y divided by x. This is super important for the unit rates. You have to do y divided by x. So they did this example for us, so you're going to notice here's your y value, here's your x value. So if you look at one of these categories, and I can't see that, so let me highlight it in a different color, see if this works. So right here, we have 10 and 2. So if you notice over here, we do 10 divided by 2, which gives us 5. Okay, they did that math. Now, I'm going to change colors. Let's go to 6. That looks exactly the same, but 6 and 12. So they do y divided by x, which is 12 divided by 6, and we get 2. Now, notice those are two different answers. You have 5, you have 2. So right away, I can see that this is going to be not proportional. Okay, if the unit rates were all the same, then they would be proportional because a proportional relationship will have all the same unit rates. Okay, so again, on a graph, they have to have straight lines that go through the origin. And on a table, all the unit rates have to be the same. Now, one last thing before you start this practice on your own, you have to show all of this work with every single unit rate.